Hey guys, so this is my first ever video on this channel, so subscribing would be amazing. And can I just quickly ask a favor, because I've been doing a lot of searching how to install and use mods poses, so if you could just leave a link to a video that would actually help, then that'd be amazing, because it's not like the video, it's me. Because I'm dumb. But anyway, so today I thought I'd show you how to can you go please, thanks. to download other custom content like clothing, hair unit, whatever. And so you're just gonna basically type in the Sims results. Oh my god, my typing. Okay, thank you. And then you're gonna go on to the first thing you see, which should be it. I don't know what the hell, it just won't be to this page, but okay. And my thing's being really weird, it's just keep on taking me to those random places, but whatever. Oh my god, they have an autistic trait, well. Okay, anyway, so you're gonna click, when you don't click it, you just kind of hover your mouse over it, downloads, and then go on to Sims 4 and find something. I'm gonna go to hairstyles. And I just automatically go to bar pages because that's where page style. Bought anything? Not got anything from yet. And I used to say this doesn't cause any viruses or anything as long as you don't click on any downloads. Not downloads, things like pop-up ads, things like that. So I'm just gonna get. That's actually really cute, but I don't want it. That makes no sense. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now because I'm probably being really weird. Okay, can you go away, please? Thank you very much. So just click some will have an X, so just click that if it really annoys you. Like it does to me because it's actually annoying and you just want it to go away and go. I don't know. Okay, then. So now just basically find something you want. I'm going to use. What the hell is that? Okay. Do you mind? Okay. Can you not? Okay, so this should take some lemon time because your game is because this thing is a retard. Okay, so I'm going to get. Oh, these are actually kind of cute. I'm gonna get Oh, that's actually really cute. I'm gonna get that. Okay, now you just basically click on what you want and wait for it to load. And then you basically, it's really easy, just click download, which should be just under it. It might be somewhere else. Just scroll down to find it, and it'll say first order from our sponsors, time remaining 10 seconds. And then there'll be so many freaking ads, and you just want to smash your computer into little pieces because you are just fed up with these ads and you don't give a fuck about them. And then okay, so it says thank you for downloading, and so you're you're welcome. And so then it just has this little circle going round and around. The hell? It usually comes up at the corner of my screen. That's what it always does. For some reason it's just been ain't doing that again. Okay, so now we're gonna go into mods. Or just go to documents, electronic arts, Sims 4 mods. You're just gonna click save. Okay, then it might take some time. Some are instant, some take 10 years to do. It won't take about. It probably won't take any longer than 3 minutes, so. But we can survive, I guess. Oh, that's right. It's because I'm using Internet Explorer, not Chrome. Okay, I'm done. Or is it? I don't know. I hate Internet Explorer. I don't know why I clicked on it. Is this Internet Explorer? No, it's Microsoft Edge. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now because I bet none of you care. Okay, now you're just gonna click cross, and you're going to open your Sims 4. Okay, I don't know what the hell my mouse is doing with its life, but it keeps glitching out. Okay, then you just go on to your game. Start. No. What the heck? I'm not even pressing anything, and my volume's going down and stuff. That's really creepy. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of ditch my computer soon because this is really weird. Okay, so it's just blah blah blah. Okay, it might like make your game 15 bits, so probably not that much. Also, make sure you do have enabled custom content. I'll just quickly show you how to do that. It's better idea if you did that before, but we could just, I don't know. Right. Oh, loading screens. Oh god, I just dropped it. Okay, so this should take like a year or so. Okay, so this should be loading pages. I don't know what it's doing. What the hell? My computer's been really weird today. I'm not sure why. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't downloaded anything. Viruses? I don't know. Okay, then it just says like messages are not free screen pages. Caution. Okay, so you're just gonna click the text. So this is just how you enable it. I'm gonna turn that down so I can actually speak. Okay, thank you. No, stop. Thank you. So it should say enable custom content and mods. Just gonna make sure you click that, then you're gonna go on to new game, or just going to already made game and you want to just change it. Okay, I'm making no sense, I know, I'm sorry. What did I even install? Wasn't it like hair or something? I think it's hair. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, I think it's hair. I think so. Was it not? I don't know. Was it? I think it was, wasn't it? Because I downloaded like this weird kind of hair. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Because, oh my god. It would be helpful if you remembered what you downloaded instead of just being like, is it hair or was it clothes or was it lots? It would be much helpful if you knew. Okay, I think it was hair, I think so. Yeah, it was hair. Oh my god, that one. Oh my god, some won't work because your game is just annoying as crap, but but whatever. It will just still show up anyway, and then this one doesn't work. I'm really upset about that because it's like a really cute hair. Some of them might not work, and it's really annoying because a lot of them, so don't work for me, are really cute. So these are all just my hairs. I don't have that many. I'm like working on it, okay? And most of them do work, so that's even more helpful. These ones work, I think. That's cute. It's kind of like Ariana Grande's hair, isn't it? Okay, so that's basically all I really have. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want me to do one on Sims 3, then do comment down below. And also, please subscribe and like, because that would be amazing. Thank you so much. Bye.